So you already know what's going on in this video. You've seen the title, you've seen the thumbnail. You just want to see me rip this open. That's exactly what we're going to do. But before we get into that, you know, got to warm up the crowd. Start with a little dad joke. I don't know why I picked up the knife. Put that down. Why did the man bring an extra pair of socks to his golf tournament? I'll give you some time. Give you some time. No? In case he gets a hole in one. I know. Thank you. Don't worry, I'm here all week. But anyway, we are here with the Sony A7IV. Brand new, literally came about 10 minutes ago. December 24th. Santa came early, so we are very grateful for that. Pre-ordered this probably about a month ago. Had no clue when it was going to come until they literally sent me a text yesterday saying, your item's coming tomorrow. I'm like, oh, thank you very much. But yeah, I know these still aren't like general stock yet. In the A7S3 and the FX3, they aren't even general stock yet. They're still hard to get with the whole just delay in parts, the whole silicone thing, whatever it is. But yeah, I've got mine, so I'm grateful. So let's get straight into this. Gotta be very careful with the seal here. Nope. Oh, I think that's done it. We still going here. Warranty, cool, keep that. Get your warranty, guys, get your warranty. The charger, cool. I actually heard that apparently there aren't any chargers shipping with this. I don't know if what that meant. I'm sure I saw a video saying they didn't get a charger. So we have this. What is inside this? This feels like a cable. USB to USB-C cable. That's just annoying. Why not just do USB-C to USB-C? Because it's just going to be slower. You're meant to charge it directly through the camera. Or if you're like most people, you already have like an actual battery charger because you need spare batteries anyway. The strap no one uses. Not orange though, it's all black. It's quite nice. Still not going to use it, but probably keep that in there. But it works. This is nice bagging of this. Whatever this material is, it's probably like something recyclable, which is good. But yeah, it's not like the normal plastic crappy ones. This is quite nice. Feels like the paper towels you get on a plane. You know, I haven't really flown in a while, but feels like them. So yep, the normal Sony battery, NP F700, normal thing. And now for the main event, let me move this. The start of the show. Oh, there we are. Whew. A7IV. Oh yeah, this grip. So much better than the A7III. It's a bit better than the FX3 as well, actually. It feels just a bit more nicer in the hand. Has this little bit for the flip out screen. I'm very excited to have this camera. The FX3 is great and I do really love it, but I wanted just a dedicated stills camera, and it's a great B camera. It matches perfectly with the FX3 for like an interview, for example. And yeah, you already know all the specs, you already know all that stuff about it. However, I do think I may use this camera a bit more for like run and gun stuff, for more like if I'm shooting a vlog or something like that, just because the little things that annoy me on the FX3 are kind of fixed with this. For example, the mic. This has a dedicated mic slot. So when you only have the flip screen, you can twist it around without it getting in the way of the mic, whereas the FX3 opens up. Is that not a door? Yeah, opens up this whole side, so when you try to flip it, it gets in the way. So that's something that's very annoying. I don't see why they couldn't have done that on the FX3. They've done the same thing on the A7S3. But yeah, so you know, we have the HDMI port. What was this actually? The headphone jack, monitoring, USB-C, and the USB, I'm not sure what that one is, the small one, that no one uses anymore. Card slots, so only one is a CF Express Type A and an SD, and they're both SDs. That's fine because I still use SDs. Yeah, it's weird to have a viewfinder back. I've been so used to the FX3 where I've literally haven't used a viewfinder in what, 6-7 months now. It's gonna be very weird to get used to again. But yeah, that's crack. Son, does the battery ship charged? Let's see. Where is the on button? English. London. Date. It's the 24th. Merry Christmas, everyone. Hope you're having a great holiday. Time with the family. Time to kick back. 2021. The time is 10:23. So to make sure this is exact. Oh, so we're on 4%. Okay, that's fantastic. I'll slap a lens on it. Actually,
I said, hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
Just noticed something. I just saw the sensor. I'm sure this camera has the shutter that comes down. Is this broken? On, off. Am I doing something wrong? I'm pretty sure I shouldn't be able to see the sensor. It was just there. Is this like a setting or something? Shutter when power off, on. Do not leave the device exposed to strong, blah, blah, blah. Okay, cool, yeah, okay. So now if I turn the camera off. Oh, there we go. Okay, that's a bit better. Still strange though. I would have thought if you ever take the lens off straight away it would come off, even if the camera's on. Just, yeah. Quite odd. To me it makes more sense to have it as soon as you take the lens off, it just covers it. Anyway, not complaining. So let's see. So we need to change the dial up here now. Oh, we have to push it in. Okay. That's not as ergonomic as I thought it was. I thought it was just a nice slide dial. We got to push it in, turn it. But yeah. Initial impressions, that's really it. You know, I'll probably do like a full review on this. But as for now, that's pretty much it. Like, I like the way the camera feels. It's definitely thicker. The sensor cover, I think they should have done that on all cameras. I don't see why they haven't. It just makes way more sense to actually cover the sensor. It doesn't really make sense. Sony, you're a bit late to the game here. I do think it should kind of come down as soon as you take the lens off, but I guess turning it off is fine. It's nice to have a viewfinder back, just for when you're taking photos. I do prefer holding it up here rather than just looking at the screen, which is nice, but yeah, it's nice to, you know, have this to complement my FX3. Yeah, I'll put some on, some like test footage in the next video. Anyway, pretty much it. First thing, so things to obviously be aware of, to know: the sensor cover comes down only when the camera's off. It doesn't come with a battery charger. It comes with a setup for you to charge the camera, so you have to plug it into the USB-C, so there's no actual dedicated charger. But I'm pretty sure most people, unless this is your first Sony, most people have like an actual charger like this. They would have something that just can charge multiple batteries just like that. So that to me makes more sense anyway, because you can charge more, and then yeah, just leave your camera sitting there. So yeah, that is pretty much it from me. Let me put this back up. If you have got a lesson, laugh, or a light bulb moment from this video, I'd really appreciate if you drop a like down below. Nice, you could hit that subscribe button. But that is all from me today, so I'll catch you in the next one.